Hey guys, this video I'm going to show you how to connect your Facebook page with your Meta Business Suite. First thing we're going to do is go to business.facebook.com. So once you're on this page right here, you scroll down here to settings. So once you click on settings, all right, you scroll down to accounts. Okay, accounts, then you click on pages. So you only have one page that we're managing down here. So if we want to add another page, we're gonna go to add right here. So click on add, then it says create a new Facebook page. So if you want to create a new Facebook page or claim an existing Facebook page, that means a page that has already been created and you want to add it to this Meta Business Suite, then you click on claim an existing Facebook page. So once you click on the Facebook page name, and then you click confirm and done. So but in this video we're creating a new Facebook page. So what we'll do is create the new Facebook page, and our Facebook page name should be Pets. All right, bio, it's optional. You can input your bio if you like, and just click next. Okay, then you click agree, then create page. Once you click on create page, you just click on done. So I'm unable to create a page presently, so you just click on done. Once you click on done, created a page, and this is the easiest way to create a new page on Meta Business Suite. So if you gain something from this tutorial, make sure to leave a comment in the comment section. Make sure to like, subscribe. If you don't understand something, leave a comment in the comment section and I'll get back to you as soon as possible.